Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, so you are seeing that I'm dressed to the nine because for today it's bench fashion week. So spend a day with me. I'm going to show you around. So of course we are going to showcase the different and beautiful fashion, the Philippine fashion. Of course guys, this would be the first time that I would be doing this. Hopefully I could get, street style, their OOTDs and their luxury bags for today. So hope you enjoy today's episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about the latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-going fan. There's a cute little icon somewhere over here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, let us start with the OOTD or outfit of the day. So guys, basically I'm wearing everything. I have designed everything. So this is a preview of my next collection. So this is a silver coat. Look at the back, guys. Look at the back detail. Then of course the lace top. I have also designed this one. And of course the monster shoes. Sorry. So the monster shoes. My theme is pearl, silver, and of course I'm carrying my Chanel, what's this? Chanel perforated rodeo flap bag. So it's her time to shine. And of course, I have my pearl necklace. I have my Chanel earrings and YSL earrings over here. So guys, hope you enjoy our episode for today. Hi guys, so we have already arrived here at Bench Fashion Week. So we have just finished registration. So just to show you around, so this is the holding area.
vintage leather jacket.
I love your jacket.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Actually, almost everything is thrifted.
I love the fringe and your bag.
The bag Prada.
I love it. I love your bag. Your bag is a Prada. Love it. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing bench.
Bench, I love bench. And then the trousers, everything. Thank you, sir. Nice seeing you. Love your style. Who are you wearing? Who are you wearing?
You guys. Uniqlo.
How about you?
I'm wearing bench.
My bench. I love your boots. Very nice. You know, I love the top. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Hi. Who are you wearing? Who are you wearing, Miss Daryl?
Sorry, it's Balenciaga.
Love it. Everything.
Yeah.
Is this Alexander Wang?
This one is, I think Jill Sander. I'm not sure.
Very nice.
Oh yeah, it is Jill Sander.
Love it. Thank you, Miss Daryl. Love you. Ma'am. Who are you wearing? Who are you wearing?
Balenciaga.
Everything.
Gucci.
Gucci bag. Love, love, love. Love your bag. And I love the IKEA bag. Love it. Yes, I love. I love it. Can I see your bag? Your BUDGE top handle. Can I see the bag? Love the bag.
Love my
Thank you. I love it. Who are you wearing, Monica? I love the hat. I love everything. Lowe Big, everything, and Mara and Jaggy. Who are you wearing?
Zara.
Zara, and I love the
Louis Vuitton and Dior.
Love it. Check. Can I see the detail? Super love.
Thank you so much.
Can I see your bag? Your bag is so cute.
It's from Charles and Keith. Charles and Keith.
You look amazing. Who are you wearing? You look amazing. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing. Who am I wearing? Shein.
I love your bag. Your fit is Louis Vuitton. I love it. Thank you. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing myself.
This is
Hannah Adrias.
I love it. Thank you. So guys, the show is about to start.
Yeah.
So we have James, we have Yen. So we are going inside. So the show is over there. So we're in queue. So the energy here, guys, is amazing. It's amazing. I'm so happy that finally the fashion scene is alive. So guys, we are already inside. It's so noisy. I hope you can hear me. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing, what is that?
I love your bag.
I'm wearing, this is Sorry. Yeah, this is Sorry. And I'm wearing Converse.
Who are you wearing? Who are you wearing?
I have a local brand, Hated Streetwear, locally made. I got a Fear of God Essentials Coach jacket. I went Dickies, socks that I created, and no shoelaces on a San Francisco Vans. I'm from the Bay Area.
guys, so it's end of day, so we're already home, but I would like to share to you my bag of the day and what fits inside. So again, I carried my very beautiful Chanel Rodeo flap bag. So here is what I carried for the entire fashion week. So again, one huge compartment, there's pocket here, and then there's a slip pocket here. So with the slip pocket in front, so I carried of course my YSL card holder. I have my phone. As you can see guys, this is very spacious and she is very malleable, so there is a give. So I have here my Chanel makeup kit, so everything is here, medicine, lipstick, lip gloss, all of that good stuff. Extra face masks over here. Then there is extra space. By the way, of course, the power bank will be at the back, and the charging cord will be on the Chanel makeup pouch as well. Honestly guys, I so in love this style. I never imagined that I would be falling in love with her again, because she is like a, a baguette style, so she is very easy to carry. I didn't have any problems carrying her the entire fashion event for the day. Yay! Hi guys, so before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me in today's episode, guys. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye! Cheers!